They say you are what you eat, but what if the foods you thought were healthy are actually making things worse after 50? Cereal labeled as heart healthy, low-fat yogurt filled with hidden sugar, whole wheat bread that spikes your blood sugar like cake. This video is your guide to uncovering the truth behind 7 popular health foods that may work against your body as you age, especially when it comes to inflammation, weight gain, and blood sugar control. Let's clear up the confusion, one bite at a time. Yogurt has a great reputation. It's probiotic-rich and packed with calcium, right? Yes, but only if you're choosing the right kind. Flavored yogurts, especially those labeled as low-fat, often contain added sugars to compensate for the taste. Some have as much sugar as a can of soda. For people over 50, that's a problem. Sugar spikes can really mess with blood sugar levels, increase belly fat, and even accelerate skin aging through a process called glycation. That's where sugar molecules actually damage collagen. So, better choice? Go for plain Greek yogurt. You still get the protein and probiotics, but without all the unnecessary sweeteners. And hey, you can add your own berries or maybe some cinnamon for flavor. Granola has this image of being earthy and clean, but honestly, most store-bought granolas are loaded with honey, syrups, and vegetable oils that promote inflammation. A small half cup can contain over 20 grams of sugar and unhealthy omega-6 fats, and let's face it, it's easy to eat more than just one serving. Not only does this mess with your blood sugar, it can also lead to stiff joints and stubborn weight gain over time. Try this instead. Make your own granola with unsweetened oats, nuts, and seeds, no added sugar, or replace it with a chia pudding, which gives you fiber protein and omega-3 fatty acids without the sugar crash. Whole grain sounds healthy, but not all whole wheat breads are created equal. Many brands are highly processed and act just like white bread in the body. What does that mean? Well, it leads to fast blood sugar spikes, followed by crashes that leave you feeling tired, hungry, and honestly reaching for more food. As we get older, blood sugar regulation becomes even more important. Repeated spikes can contribute to inflammation, fatigue, and even age-related cognitive decline. So, what's a better swap? Try sprouted grain bread or sourdough, which have a lower glycemic impact. Or, if you're up for it, go grain-free with almond or flaxseed bread alternatives. Salads are great, but what you pour on top can quietly undo the benefits. Low-fat dressings often swap out fat for added sugars, gums, and preservatives to create texture and flavor. The worst part? Without healthy fats, your body can't absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So you might be eating more greens, but getting less from them. Instead, use dressings made with olive oil, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, or even avocado-based dressings. Healthy fats help your body absorb nutrients and support your skin and joints. Smoothies sound like the ultimate health food, but honestly, a typical fruit smoothie, especially one bought at a shop, can have more sugar than a milkshake. Bananas, mangoes, fruit juice, and sweetened yogurts all combine to cause massive blood sugar spikes. Over time, this leads to more fat storage, insulin resistance, and dull aging skin. So, you might be wondering about a smarter smoothie strategy. Well, it's all about balancing fruit with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Try adding Greek yogurt, maybe a scoop of protein powder, chia seeds, or even a little nut butter. And, it's a good idea to keep fruit portions reasonable, and just skip the juice base altogether. A lot of health-conscious folks cook with canola soybean or corn oil, thinking they're safe choices. But the thing is, these oils are actually high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, in large amounts, are pro-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is connected to, just about everything, from joint pain to accelerated aging, brain fog, and even metabolic issues. Instead, Cook with extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These oils are more stable when heated and have anti-inflammatory properties that support heart and joint health. Walk down the health food aisle and you'll see protein bars, energy bars, and meal replacement bars. Many are just candy bars in disguise, filled with refined sugars, processed soy, and artificial sweeteners. Some even contain sugar alcohols that can cause bloating or digestive distress, especially as your gut becomes more sensitive with age. Look for bars with short ingredient lists, real food sources, and little to no added sugar. Or, you can even make your own using oats, nut butter, and seeds. The biggest danger isn't just the food, it's the illusion of health. When we believe something is healthy, we tend to eat more of it, or eat it more often, without really questioning what's inside. Marketers know this, and they use labels like low-fat, heart-healthy, natural, or organic to sell processed products. The result? Sneaky weight gain, inflammation, or stubborn health issues that just don't make sense until you look a little closer at what you're really eating. So, what should you do instead? Let's break it down with a quick cheat sheet. Here's a quick cheat sheet to simplify your choices. First, read labels. Check for added sugars, oils, and those long ingredient lists. Eat closer to nature. Honestly, the fewer ingredients, the better. Balance matters. Protein, fiber, and healthy fats help regulate your energy, digestion, and even aging. Don't fear fats. Healthy fats actually nourish your skin, your brain, and your joints. And finally, watch your sugar. Even the healthy stuff like juice, bars, and flavored yogurt can add up. And most importantly, listen to your body. If something makes you feel sluggish, bloated, or tired, no matter how healthy it claims to be, trust your instincts. Eating well after 50 isn't about trends or strict rules. It's about learning what works for your body now, not 20 years ago. Your needs change. Your metabolism changes. So should your approach to health foods. By making smarter, more informed choices, you're not just avoiding hidden dangers, you're setting yourself up for more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, and a sharper mind well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Because food isn't just fuel, it's information for your body. Make every bite count.